Hello guys, in last video we learned the difference between user defined function and built-in function. In today's video we will see some example of built-in function. In your mobile, firstly you have to open Google Chrome. After that you have to go in Google, type Python compiler, or you also can type interpreter. Select the first option, and now you can type your all Python program here. Now we have online Python compiler, and now firstly I'm here typing name. The variable name is names here. After that equal sign, and now I am using a square bracket. In square bracket I have typed some numbers. Here we have list of numeric value, and this value we are storing in variable, and the variable name is names. To assign value to variable we always use equal sign. After that I have typed print. Here I have the first built-in function I'm using is maximum. In short we have to write max. After that I have passed arguments. Argument name is names. Names argument is passed to max function. In third line I have again type of print. Here I have type min, min. It is used for, it will return short value. In min we have again passed the argument, and argument name is names. In last line here we have type again print. After that here we have type built-in function is sum, and in sum we have also passed the argument. The argument name is names. Now select the run option to execute this program. Max function, it will find the largest value, and mini function, it will find the smallest value, and the sum function, it will add all the numbers. Now let's see the other example of built-in function. First we have variable, and the variable name is name only, and after that we will assign string value to variable. Here we will use equal sign. After that double quotation, because string always write in double quotation. I have write here hello in double quotation. Now we are using len function. To use len function we have write print. After that in bracket we have write len, and we have passed the argument, and the argument name is name. Here we are passing argument name to the len function. Now run the program. The len function always return the length of character, and in hello there is 5 character. Now we are changing string how are you with question mark, how are you word with question mark, total is around 10, and we are using 2 space. It will show result is 12 because it will count the character with symbol question mark also, and it will also count the space. That's why it is showing 12. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos.